ऑलराइट, हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। मेरे पास बनाने को कुछ कंटेंट नहीं था, तो आई थॉट आई जस्ट रिसीव्ड दिस मसल ब्लेज पार्सल, so I thought I'll just make a review about the new flavor. So those who don't know, they have released a new flavor called chocolate cake, if I'm not wrong, which has creatine and one more thing mixed in it. I think it's BCAA. I'm not very sure. So I just received the parcel and so yes, that is it. मैंने सोचा कि इसी के ऊपर वीडियो बना देते हैं. So yes, I'm opening this box in front of you guys and let's see how it is. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता उनको बता दूँ, देयर वाज अ वेरी बिग सेल ऑन मसल ब्लेज गोइंग ऑन रिसेंटली, सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजन आई बॉट दिस ऑल्सो. तो वन आई हैव रिसीव्ड दिस जिम बैग. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी एक जिम बैग है, तो आई विल बी गिविंग दिस टू वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड. उसको चाहिए था और मेरे पास ऑलरेडी मसल ब्लेज के 2 जिम बैग हैं, तो आई थिंक आई विल बी गिविंग दिस टू हिम ओनली. और इफ ही डजंट वांट इट, आई विल गिव इट टू माई रूममेट. इसके अलावा आई हैव रिसीव्ड वन शेकर. यस, हियर इज इट. ये भी कुछ काम का नहीं है बिकॉज आई मेनली यूज मिक्सी फॉर दैट, फॉर मिक्सिंग, एंड दिस इज द मेन डील हियर. एंड yes, this is the flavor, guys. Let me read it. Yes, it have 30 grams protein, 3 grams of creatine and 50 mg of astrain. I don't really know what it is, but we'll see, we'll figure out. Abhi we'll also read little about it कि क्या क्या होता है इसमें. And yes, the flavor is molten chocolate cake flavor. So I'm really excited. So I'll be trying this. I'm going to the gym right now, so I'll be trying this flavor and I'll be giving you guys the honest review. Says that the recommendation is 1 serving a day. Abhi tak I have tasted almost all the proteins and each one I've had 2 servings a day, but this only have 1 serving of a day, and I was right. Because creatine you should not be taking more than 1 scoop in a day. So this only has 1 scoop of serving. And the serving size of this is also big. I think 1 scoop is 45 grams. Yes. So guys, this is the serving size. Like, it doesn't look too big to you, but this is 45 grams, and I will be bringing in the other boxes. Now coming to the smell is average. It doesn't taste anything different. It just tastes like a simple protein powder का smell है और कुछ खास नहीं है. Alright, now I'll be getting my mixie, so you guys get a better idea how does it actually taste. So mixie. Alright, so our mixie is here, and now we only need cold water. Our cold water is also here. This is just because I wanted to try the transitions. Let me know how did you find the transitions. मैं पहली बार ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, अभी तक सिर्फ देखा था क्लिप्स में ऐसे ट्रांजिशन होते हैं, एंड दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम डूइंग द ट्रांजिशन. ओके, दैट थिंग असाइड, आई विल बी मिक्सिंग अराउंड 200 ml of water with this. Alright, our shake is ready and I'll be pouring it into the cup given to me by my mom. Okay, to be honest, in my opinion, it doesn't taste the best. I have tried all the flavors of Muscle Blaze, vanilla cream, rich chocolate, magic mango, kesar thandai, and I don't know all of them, coffee flavor, and this is not the best. So it's not really very great. Obviously the nutrients, and you can check that the amount of protein it has and all the other things. You can definitely check that and buy if you want to. About the flavor, I'm not very sure that this is the best one for you. In my opinion, rich chocolate is the best, and followed by kesar thandai, I think. So even magic mango is good if you want to have it with whatever, but this tastes like a normal chocolate. Like, it's not even different from any chocolate protein powder I have had. It sounds like a molten chocolate cake flavor, but then it's very normal and it doesn't taste different at all. Alright, this is it for the video. Let me know what more content you want me to make. आज तो मेरे पास कुछ बनाने को था नहीं, and I was losing consistency, so I thought I received this parcel, so I'll just make a video on this. Also, I thought कि अगर किसी को चाहिए होगा how does this new flavor taste, you'll get an idea. So well, yes, that is it for this video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.